welcome back to my channel Notebook Maths. Here first point, understand the syllabus. First, study the syllabus thoroughly on high weightage marks. Master the basics. Ensure you are confident with formulas, definitions and theorems. Okay, formulas and theorems and definitions are very important to remember, so that practice. Third point is practice. Very important problems from examples and textbook examples, exercises are there, previous year question papers. So practice is very important for maths exam. Focus on important topics. So prioritize chapters like important topics we have to take first and prepare first that important topics. Okay, next, create a study plan. Allocate time for each topic and stick to the schedule. Okay, time is very important, so make a plan for every topic. Learn time management. Practice solving questions within a time limit to stimulate exam conditions. It is very important point. Make a time limit to solve problem. Understand the question pattern. Analyze pattern. Past papers to identify frequently asked questions and patterns. Okay. Question papers, please go through the past year papers. Don't skip steps. So detailed steps we have to write in solution. Okay. Memorize formulas strategically. So using flashcards, revise key formulas, charts, we can memorize the formulas, definitions easily. Okay. Now 10th is eliminate careless mistakes. Double check in exams. So ensure that you are written correctly. So double check properly before end of the exam. Okay, 11th important point is practice diagrams if applicable. So in maths also there are many figures are there like graphs and polygons or any others are very important to practice. So practice diagrams. Okay, neat and label diagrams for every subject. Clarify doubts. Don't hesitate to ask teachers or peers for clarification on tough topics. So clearly clarify your doubts with your friends or your tuition teachers or your class teachers. Okay, revision is key. Revision is very important before exams. So revise regularly and keep a separate notebook for important formulas and mistakes, so that you can get perfect solution of your problem. Stay relaxed. Before any exam you are going, maintain a positive mindset and get enough sleep before the exam day, so that you can perfectly write exam neatly and correctly and stay relaxed. Exam day strategy. Start with easy questions to build confidence. Attempt all questions and allocate time wisely. So if you have any problem doing live questions, so start with the easy questions so that your mind is relaxed. So like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos on math topics. Thank you.